many times you might have seen one thing, that whenever we purchase something old thing or even if something new, we need to invest something more on it. Suppose I purchased a car for rupees 2 lakh. Okay, I purchased a old car for rupees 2 lakh and I need to get its tires changed, and the worth of the tires is 20,000. So what will be the CP of the car? 2 lakh or 2 lakh plus 20,000? It will be 2 lakh plus 20,000, because for me I have to spend 2 lakh 20,000 to own that car. Okay, so what is that 20,000? That 20,000 is the overhead expenses. What is that 20,000? That 20,000 is the overhead expenses which I have to do on the car. Is that clear? So in this problem also it is given that a wholesale dealer purchased goods worth rupees 1,60,000 from a manufacturer. Okay, he spent rupees 4,000 on transporting the goods. See, the price was 1,60,000, but on transportation he has to spend 4,000. So what will be the CP for the wholesale dealer? It will be 1,60,000 plus 4,000, because that 4,000 he has to pay from his pocket. If he need not to purchase this, there was no need to spend this 4,000. So these 4,000 are the overhead expenses. This was the original CP and this 4,000 was overhead expenses. So new CP will be 1,60,000 plus 4,000. Now it is given that the total amount which he received on selling all the items was 2,05,000. Find his gain or loss percent. See, CP was rupees 1,60,000. Okay. Now overhead expenses. Overhead expenses are the expenses which a person has to do even after the purchase of the item, either in the transportation or to modify the item or for any amendment. Is that clear? So overhead expenses is rupees 4,000. So total CP which the wholesale dealer has to pay is 1,60,000 plus 4,000. That will be 1,64,000. Now total CP is 1,64,000 and SP is rupees 2,05,000. Now just looking at CP and SP, you can tell whether it will be profit or loss. Definitely it is a problem of profit. Find the profit. 2,05,000 minus 1,64,000. So what will be the answer? 5 minus 4, 1. 10, 6, 4 will come. 41,000. This is your profit. And you need to find the profit percentage. In the previous video it was told to you how to find profit percentage. Profit into 100 upon CP, and CP is this one. CP is this one, the net CP. You can write it as net CP as well. Okay, so profit was 41,000 into 100 upon 1,64,000. You can cut these 3 zeros and you can easily see that 41 4s are 164. Cancel it. 25% is your answer. So the wholesale dealer gained 25% in the whole transaction. That solves our problem.